Welcome to AG, the Crazy Trail fans. And here's the two dogs swimming. Here's little Mocha. And Pepper in the background. He wants a stick. There's Nico. Oh, of course, she's was pawing at me. Wants me to hold her in a foot of water. Just killed that thing. Yeah. There's my oldest dog, Pepper. Only about 4 feet of water. He'll still swim in it, and he's having all kinds of fun. Oh boy, here's the action. Nico! Getting a little too rambunctious. Don't get too crazy, you guys. And of course, we're sniff and eat all the grass we can. Super obsessed to get plenty of it at home, but I don't know why this grass here is more special than anywhere else. But they love it. Try to get this over 4 minutes worth. And of course, my dog in the background. He's wanting a rock or stick. A day at the beach. Kind of rocky, grassy, but the water's pretty good, at least.
Come out into the water, so probably follow you.
Oh, hey, wife has a pretty good idea. She's camera shy, so I'm gonna try to keep her identity hidden as requested. Backing on up. There he is. You're an armory. You just don't give up, do you? Uh-oh. I got flip-flops and I am just, that's some silk. I'm stuck. Let go. Okay. I'm going to move away from that area. Stuck again. This is unreal. Keep on getting stuck. And even worse, I got rock in my sandal. There they are. There they are. Yep. Ornery as ever. Hey! Hey, no! You two get back here. I don't know if you can see that. He's doing something in the bushes. Yep. He's about as ornery as they get. Nico, what are you doing? Where'd you go? Oh, hidden. Pepper. Okay. Time for him to get it out. Come on, Pepper. And what are you doing, miss? Eating more grass? Why is this grass so much more special? Is it more tasty? Is it better tasting than the one at home? Oh, no, no. The mother dog. She was coming, but nope. I gotta get back to mom. See if we can get her to go swimming. Nope. She much right. Oh, yep. Well, anyways, if you guys like this video, be sure to subscribe. Hit the like button, and it helps the channel along. And be sure to hit the notification bell for future videos. And also, be sure to like and subscribe, and be sure to stay cool like these guys in hot weather like this here. Anyways, have a great day.